Good morning, students. Last class we had discussed about water molecules. So water is available from different places like a river, oceans or lakes. Overall, water is classified into two types. That is number one, hard water and soft water. Which water, hard water, which water, soft water. So overall, suppose for example, which water to give the lather with soap, that water is called soft water. Okay, which water is give the lather in the presence of soap or with soap, that water is called soft water. So what is the hard water? Which water does not give the lather with a soap or in the presence of soap, that type of water is called hard water. Okay, so which water? Hard water does not give the lather, but soft water give the lather with soap or in the presence of soap. So commonly soft water contain almost pure water. So but hard water contain number of minerals or impurities or different types of salts. So which salts? Already we know that just like bicarbonates and carbonates, next sulfates, chlorides. Okay, so overall sulfates or chlorides or bicarbonates. Okay, so suppose magnesium sulfate or calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride or calcium chloride, magnesium bicarbonate or calcium bicarbonate. So they are all components contained in hard water. Okay, so overall we have removed the impurities or these salts from hard water. So hard water we have converted to soft water. We have used some specific methods. Okay, so overall hard water is converted to soft water. In this process we have used some different types of methods. So which methods? Overall, suppose for example, temporary method. Number one, temporary method, and second one, permanent method. Okay, so we have used mainly two methods. Number one, temporary method, and the second one, permanent method. So in this temporary method, we have removed the impurities. Which type of impurities? Bicarbonates. Okay, so we have removed the bicarbonate. So which type of bicarbonate? Magnesium bicarbonate or calcium bicarbonate. Okay, so in temporary method we have removed the bicarbonates from hard water. Okay, and from permanent method, in this permanent method we have used to remove the salts. Which type of salts? Suppose for example magnesium sulfate or magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate or calcium chloride. Okay, so this type of salts we have removed from this hard water. That method is permanent method. Okay, temporary method is mainly remove the which type of components, like a bicarbonates. Suppose for example MgHCO3 taken twice, magnesium bicarbonate, or suppose CaHCO3 taken twice, calcium bicarbonate. So temporary method is used for to remove the magnesium bicarbonate and calcium bicarbonate. So permanent method is mainly used for to remove the magnesium sulfate, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate and calcium chloride. So now we will discuss about a temporary method. Already we know that. So temporary method is mainly used for to remove the bicarbonates. Okay, already we know that which type of bicarbonates. Suppose for example MgHCO3 taken twice, magnesium bicarbonate or magnesium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, or suppose CaHCO3 taken twice, calcium bicarbonate. Okay, so we have used in this method to remove the bicarbonates. Overall, in this temporary method, it's contain two methods. That is number one, boiling method. So when boiling the water, that time these bicarbonates is converted to carbonates. Okay, bicarbonates is converted to carbonates. Okay, mainly hot water contain bicarbonates. When we have removed that bicarbonates, when we have used this boiling method. Okay, when heated of water, that time magnesium bicarbonate or calcium bicarbonate is converted to carbonates. Suppose for example CaHCO3 taken twice, calcium bicarbonate. So this calcium bicarbonate is converted to number one, calcium carbonate, CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Next further CO2, carbon dioxide. Okay, so here HCO3 2 taken twice means 2H and 2 CO3. One loss of CO3, remaining one CO3. So that CO3 is formed in this reaction CO2. Remaining is contained one oxygen. Okay. Further 2H means H2O. So water molecules is formed in this reaction. Okay, so when first very easy method, boiling. When heated of water, that bicarbonate salts is converted to carbonates. Suppose for example hot water contains calcium bicarbonate, that calcium bicarbonate is converted to calcium carbonate and carbon dioxide and next further water molecules. Or suppose for example at the same time magnesium bicarbonate is also converted to two components. Suppose that is MgCO3, magnesium carbonate, and second one carbon dioxide and H2O. Okay, so bicarbonates is converted to carbonates in this process. Okay, boiling method, it is very easy method to remove the bicarbonates from hot water. When heated of this hot water, so these salts like a magnesium bicarbonate or calcium bicarbonates is converted to carbonates. Okay, second method is Clark method. Okay, so it is a boiling method. Second method is Clark method. In this method, we have addition of milk of lime, okay, or Slakel lime, milk of lime or Slakel lime. Suppose for example, so we have addition of calcium hydroxide. Okay, suppose we have taken hot water. We are mixing calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is also called milk of lime or Slakel lime. Suppose hot water contain calcium bicarbonate CaHCO3 taken twice. This calcium bicarbonate is reacts with the calcium hydroxide. Okay, we have addition of calcium hydroxide with hot water. That hot water also contain calcium bicarbonate. This calcium bicarbonate reacts with the calcium hydroxide to forming this reaction CaCO3, calcium carbonate, and next to further water molecules. Okay, listen. Next method, Clark method. In this Clark method, we have addition which component? Calcium hydroxide. When calcium hydroxide add with water, so that water, hot water is also contain calcium bicarbonate or magnesium bicarbonate. So the calcium bicarbonate add with the calcium hydroxide, so it is to form calcium carbonate and water molecules. Or suppose MgHCO3 taken twice, magnesium bicarbonate. This magnesium bicarbonate is reacts with the calcium hydroxide to forming this reaction MgCO3, CaCO3 and water molecules. Okay, magnesium carbonate and calcium carbonate. Okay, magnesium carbonate and calcium carbonate. Overall, bicarbonates is converted to carbonates. Bicarbonates is converted to carbonates when we have addition of calcium hydroxide. But in this process, boiling, so bicarbonates is converted to carbonates. Okay, so when we have removed the salts from hot water, we have used two methods. Number one, temporary method, and second one, permanent method. In this temporary method, we have removed the bicarbonates from hot water. But in permanent method, we have removed the magnesium sulfate and magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate and calcium chloride from hot water. Okay, so now temporary method. In the temporary method is classified into two types. That is number one, boiling, second one, Clark method. When we have heated of water, that bicarbonates is converted to carbonates. Second one, Clark method. In this Clark method, we have addition of calcium hydroxide with water. So that time that bicarbonates is converted to carbonates. Okay. Next further class we have discussed about permanent method. So how to we have remove the remaining salts from hot water. So which methods is we have used for remove the impurities or salts from hot water. Okay. So we have discussed further class.